when you learn programming at first, you will face only easy challenges. So it will be very easy to learn new concepts and techniques. But very soon, you will face complex issues. So if it's in object-oriented programming, it will be concepts like classes, interfaces, value types versus reference types. And remember that JavaScript is both object-oriented and functional. So you also have to understand then the concepts of callbacks, of asynchronous code, of closures, of currying, all these kind of things. So at first, it won't be easy. So remember that we all had to face the same issue. So don't think that you're not smart enough to understand programming. We all hit roadblocks and we all have to keep on trying. So what should you do when you face this kind of roadblocks? You need to be aware that it takes time and a certain amount of attempts. So the trick is to start using something even if you don't really understand it. So just as when you drive a car, you don't fully understand how the engine works, but you can still use the car. The problem is, as a programmer, you have to be both the driver and the mechanic. But at first, if you don't understand all the concepts, you still need to use the concepts you don't fully understand. And then after 30 or 50 or 100 attempts, suddenly it will click. It almost sounds magical. I don't want to sound crazy, but this happened to me many times. Last year or 2 years ago, I can't remember precisely, I read the interview of a French mathematician who said exactly the same thing, that when he has to study very complex concepts, he first gets used to them. And then that's when I say, oh my God, it's the same in programming. I've been doing the same thing as he did. So first using something to get used to it, and then it clicked, because what the important thing also is to try and to start using something, and every time you use it, to still devote a couple of minutes trying to understand it again, failing again, and suddenly it will click. Just as if we were trying to create an airfield, and attempt after attempt your airfield is being constructed, and then when it's done, maybe it will be after 50 attempts or 60 attempts, it's not a waste of time. Then the airplane of your thoughts will be able to take off. I know it may sound crazy, but I lived this many times. It happens to me when I was learning object-oriented programming, and especially why certain methods accept interfaces instead of instances of objects, or when I was studying callbacks. It was the fact that we had closures. Why, when you have a function inside another function, the variables that live inside the parent function still exist even after the parent function has executed, which makes no sense at first. But then when you understand that the inner function is carrying with it all the inner variables, then it makes sense. But not worry if you don't know these concepts yet. This is really a pattern I noticed many times, both in object-oriented programming and in functional programming. Start using something even if you don't fully understand it, and every time you use it, spend some time to try, when you have time for that, spend some time to try again to understand it, and someday it will click, I guarantee. And if you lived this same kind of experience, leave a comment, because I'm sure I'm definitely not the only one who lived failing, and suddenly understanding something that seemed impossible to understand during the previous attempts.